With the release of the Spirit Flyback, not only does Longines continue to build on its heritage as a creator of precision instruments for adventurers and explorers, but it also underscores their legacy as a pioneer in the development of chronograph watches. As always, we've included all the product specifications in the description box so you can check them out later. We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this watch or any other timepiece from Longines, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. But for now, keep on watching as we discover how Longines, with its latest timepiece, celebrates its past but ensures that this tribute is also packed with cutting-edge technology and contemporary aesthetics. Surely, this watch will feel right at home on the wrists of both adventurers and city dwellers. As an authorized retailer of Longines, Les Ambassadeurs offers a large collection of their latest models, including the Longines Spirit collection of sports watches. Explore this timepiece at one of our boutiques in Geneva at Rue du Rhône, in Zurich at one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world at Bahnhofstrasse, or in the beautiful city of Luzern at Kappelplatz, or visit our online store at lesambassadeurs.ch. For those not in the know, Longines has a long tradition of pioneering innovation in watchmaking. One of these achievements is the development of the flyback function, which it patented in 1936. This groundbreaking feature enables the chronograph, through a simple press of a pusher, instantly to reset the chronograph's direct drive second hand, which immediately restarts the timing from zero. This made it possible for pilots to measure time seemingly without losing precious time. This feature now finds its way into their Spirit collection of sport watches, which celebrates the sense of adventure of explorers. The Longines Spirit Flyback captures the collection's essence, providing a practical function designed to advance the mission of trailblazers, while also preserving the refined look desired by discerning collectors. The sophisticated look of this timepiece begins with its sunray dial that's available in prestige black or elegant blue. Longines's winged hourglass logo sits just underneath the 12 o'clock, while the flyback notation that distinguishes it from its Spirit siblings can be found right above the 6 o'clock mark and sandwiches the chronograph's subdials. The dial is complemented by bronze hands and numerals coated with superluminova to ensure readability in every environment. The Longines Spirit Flyback is housed in a 42mm steel case with a meticulous combination of satin, matte, and polished finishes. It features a bidirectional bezel with a colored ceramic insert with luminescent markers, as well as a transparent case back that reveals the inner workings of the new Longines caliber. A weight engraved with a globe, symbolizing Longines' Spirit collection and the Longines Flyback name, is also visible. Powering this exceptional timepiece is a brand new Longines movement that has been designed to be highly resistant to magnetism and comes equipped with a silicon balanced spring. The movement is fully certified to be a chronometer by the COSC and delivers a power reserve of up to 68 hours. Rounding up this adventure watch is its interchangeable stainless steel bracelet and the brown leather or blue fabric strap to fit any occasion. The straps come with a folding clasp with a micro-adjustment system to ensure the perfect, comfortable fit. Longines also offers a beige NATO strap as an option. So, if you are looking to tap into the adventurous and imaginative spirit of great pioneers and explorers of yesteryear, then this is the perfect watch for you. Priced at 4,200 Swiss francs, the Longines Spirit Flyback delivers precise and innovative timekeeping, punctuated by refined elegance, making it versatile enough to be watch for an action-packed weekend as well as a daily accessory for more smart casual settings. Les Ambassadeurs is proud to have Longines' pioneering Flyback Chronograph available for you. If you haven't already, visit Les Ambassadeurs' website and shop from our online store at your convenience. You can even take advantage of our super-fast flash delivery service, where we can deliver a watch within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Yes, that's right, in just 3 hours. What are your thoughts about the aesthetics of this Longines Spirit Flyback? Does it veer more towards a sporty or more elegant look? We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this watch or any other timepiece from Longines for that matter, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest watch reviews from Les Ambassadeurs, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.